Hey guys, Mike Pranks on YouTube here. So today I'm doing a bit of a different owner's manual. Um, it's not a owner's manual to a car, but it is definitely something you don't find that often, and it's probably something you'd say like Dragon Man's in Nevada. So here we have a TM 91 9-1005 211 12 Department of the Army Technical Manual, Operator and Organization Maintenance Manual, including basic issues, items list, and repair parts and special tools list. Piston caliper 45 automatic and all that. Headquarters, Department of the Army, September 1968. This is the back of it. I got this at a garage sale, along with let's see, JFK's Independence. The original one. I also have his mask card. And his brother's mask card too. Let's see. John F. Kennedy inaugural address, January 20th, 1961. The original one. Straight from the John Hancock press. That I got out of the garage sale too. But I have his brother's mask card, and then I also have his mask card. I have 5 of his mask cards, and then one of his brothers. Let's see. So back to the Army Owner's Manual. Here's what it says. This guy would go to all the gun shows, the person I got this from. I got this because it's interesting. And it's not a... I like to give a shout out to Dragon Man. To Dragon Man's War Museum in Nevada. And then Hot Brass and Bullets, his other channel. He has a collection of all types of World War stuff. So I figured this would be something right up his alley, so very interesting. I think I might get a Deuce and a Half owner's manual next, since those are just about gone. And then they also had an M1009. The Army did. Now they have Chevy Silverados and Cruisers and but the common guns that I know are like AK-47 and stuff like that. I don't know if you're supposed to show this stuff on there, but about how to operate the gun, and then how to what's it called? How to maintain it, basically. Well, now actually, to be honest, these guns are all over the city of Chicago. There's a feud with Beretta. There's a feud with Beretta, the gun maker, and then the Chevy Beretta. And this is what it looks like, a Beretta gun that hasn't been fired, because that's the safety pin right there. Caliber 45 automatic pistol, M191A, right front view. Wide front sight and trigger cut, back and knurled, clearance cut, extended grip, safety tang. This is the left rear view of the gun. I don't think these are sold to the public either, to be honest. And the rest is just like how to load and fire the gun. So, when I'm editing this video, I'm going to whoops, sorry. Title is It's Not for Kids, so just because it's a gun, and YouTube would demonetize it because there's a gun owner's manual on YouTube, so I'm just gonna put it as It's Not for Kids, because I don't want them to like get a hold of guns. So you know what I mean. Yeah, Dragon Man, aka Hot Brass and Bullets, he also has his own gun shop. Not far. In that same museum. So an extractor position, already at 8 minutes and 21 seconds long. Now, the stuff in the world today, I don't really want to film this video, but since it was interesting, I'm gonna say it's not for kids, because, let's be honest, put the guns down, because there's people all over in the United States who don't know how to use it, and then they just don't use their fist. They just want to pull out a gun right away and kill somebody. And that's not how the world should be. So use a gun to protect, not just go out and kill people. It's not what the world was about. So that's why I'm putting this as It's Not Made for Kids. So otherwise I would. Ammunition. technical data and all that. More picture. Another picture with the holster, as it's the U.S. Army. So, that's the headquarters, Department of the Army. September 1968. Pistol caliber .45 automatic, M191A A1 with holster, hip, operator's manual. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and remember, don't play with the gun if you don't have to. So, peace.